In this video, I'm going to attempt to replicate this antique rustic organizational tray. Makes for a great table centerpiece. I'm not going to be able to replicate every bit of the old age antique feel, but I'm going to try to get as close as we possibly can, so let's get started. So remember, we're going for this rustic look, so we got to do a little bit to the wood here to give it that nice rustic feel. And we're going to use these tools, or a combination of these tools, to get that weathered, rough look. Now we're just going to use the drill to power through this and just wear this new wood out so that it'll have a little rustic, rough look to it. And I think you'll be pleasantly surprised with the outcome. Here I'm splitting all my sides and middle slats. They need to be a lot thinner than the 1x that I was using. Now remember here that we're going to use the term cobbled together, meaning that this thing is supposed to look kind of like it was thrown together on a whim. It's not supposed to be even, it's not supposed to be perfect, it's supposed to have imperfections all the way through it, from the cuts to the nails to the way it was put together. We want it to be just old, like somebody needed a little, you know, organization tray off the cuff, and so they threw this together, and it's supposed to be that imperfect perfect. So just, you know, run with that. It doesn't have to be 100% accurate. Throw some stuff together. That's the best part of this. It's super fun, and you get a nice little centerpiece or whatever you want to use it for, and it's just kind of cool looking. Something like this, go $10 or $15 at a yard sale, maybe even more. I mean, just, you know, or you can use it as a decoration for like a gathering or a wedding or something like that. It's just a fun little project. Don't overthink the outcome. Now it's time to add our finish. We'll start with a little ebony, then we'll move on to our vinegar miracle stain that I did in the video before. I absolutely love this stuff. It darkens the wood up nice, especially this pine. We'll just add the ebony here in some corners and some places real light, rub it in real good. We don't want it too dark with ebony colored stain. Then we'll go to the vinegar stain, and then we'll finally use some white tintable Minwax stain that we kind of give it that little, just that little silvery look that old wood tends to have that you saw from that other piece, and that really finishes it off nice.